Hey guys, it's Sage and welcome back to another video. This is my first official video with my new camera. And I'm very excited. So basically I'm going to be straightening my hair. I think in the hair video where I was talking about this, I said I'll probably straighten it and then revert it back to straight in like one video. I'm gonna do them separate just because it's gonna be way too long and I kind of want to just get it out. And I have to shout out this jewelry. I'll talk about it later on in the video, but this is from Ana Luisa. I've worked with them before and quality. This I also got from them like 2 months ago and I haven't taken it off since then. So like if I get sent something that I really like, I will continue to wear it, and I haven't taken this off since I got it. Also the earrings, I've had these, the bottom hoops are also from Ana Luisa and I haven't taken them off, but I'll talk about this later on. Let me just get into the blow drying. I'm gonna be watching Atlanta because they put it on Disney Plus now. Disney Plus is stepping their game up, but I'm gonna be watching Atlanta, so if you see me looking up there, I'm watching TV. What am I gonna use? So do I have armpit hair? Okay, listen, I'm going through the process of laser hair removal. Is this too personal? I don't care. I'm going through the process of laser hair removal. If you guys want a video on that, I will make a video on that. If you see any hair, I'm a human just like everyone else, okay? Just allow me. I'm going to be using this. I bought this from Amazon. I did the sew-in myself. I've been doing my own sew-ins for years and years and years. So I did the sew-in myself. So yeah, I'm just going to blow dry it and then I'll come back at you guys.
I don't like to drink, I don't like to think, fuck that, oh, but I ponder you, oh, I'm bending it over, you're my four-leaf clover, I am so in love, yeah, there's no one above.
So I realized I literally forgot to take a thumbnail because my hair was curly. So I think I'm gonna do half at a time. So this straightener I also got from Amazon. It's just it's just whatever. It's just a straightener. I had another one I got from Amazon, but it was like skinnier. So I got this one just because it's like thicker, or like it's wider. So it just covers more area.
The sound of you, better than harmony, yeah, I want you off my mind and on me, holding me closer than we've ever been before. This ain't a dream, you're here with me, boy, it don't get no better than you.
So I finished straightening this side. So what it's looking like. After I'm done this other side, I'm gonna like just bump the ends on both sides like this. So I'm gonna come back when I'm like halfway done this side, since I showed you guys me doing the bottom of this side and then was like finished this side when I came back. I'll finish the bottom and then come back when I'm done with this side. Yes, that's smart. Oh yeah, so these, oh goodness gracious. So this jewelry is from Ana Luisa. I've worked with them before. Love their jewelry. Literally everything on their site is so bomb. So this ring is from, oh my goodness, the autofocus. Sorry. Like I literally just picked up this camera today. My old camera, the autofocus was so slow. I'm having like eczema flare up right now, so ignore that. But this is the ring I got. So it's literally like a chain ring. So it's not like a solid like circle, it's like a chain. I don't know if you could tell. Let me just take it off. See, it's like literally like a chain, and I love it. Like I already know I'm literally just gonna keep this on. To make your jewelry last longer, you can just take it off when you shower. I literally sleep in all my jewelry and shower in all my jewelry. So that's the ring that I got. This bracelet is from my last Ana Luisa sponsorship. It's on my Instagram. And then the necklaces. So sorry, the autofocus. I really wanted like an initial necklace, so I got this S necklace from Ana Luisa, and then these are just like plain chains that you can use to like layer. So yeah, it just it just goes so nicely. Like I really needed some like more chains to layer with, just like plain ones, and like it's literally exactly what I needed. But I really love this S necklace. So all of the details for this jewelry will be linked down below, of course. Be sure to check out their site. Literally, I'm in love with all of their stuff. Like it's so fire. And if I have a coupon code, I will of course list it down below. I will be back when I'm halfway done this side of my hair.
All I hear is raindrops falling from a rooftop. Oh baby, tell me why'd you have to go? 'Cause this pain I feel it won't go away. And today I'm officially missing you. I thought that from this heartache I could escape, but I've run it long enough to know there ain't no way. And today I'm officially missing you. Ooh, can nobody do me like you? I said every little thing you do. Hey baby, say it stays on my mind. And I officially, it's official. Ooh, you know that I'm missing you. Yeah. All I hear is raindrops. Ooh, yeah. And I'm officially missing you. I don't stand in line, I don't pay for clubs, fuck that, yeah. But I'll wait for you. I don't like to drink, I don't like to think, fuck that, oh. But I ponder you, oh. I'm bending it over. You're my four-leaf clover. I am so in love, yeah. There's no one above, up above. Forever's a long time, yeah. My blue jeans.
Alright, I'm very tired, so I'm gonna go to bed, but this is the end result. This is how long it is. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep this hair straight. Just whenever I get bored of it, basically. But yeah, that is how it turned out. My camera stopped recording. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching as always. It is Sage signing out. Peace.